Check out this long hair. Yes, this is a male mannequin. And should you be getting layers in your hair if you have longer hair like this and if you are a dude? So I've had numerous clients throughout the years who had this exact hairstyle. Whether guys are in bands, whatever it is they're doing, that they loved having long hair. Usually it's like musicians and stuff. But the biggest question that I would get sometimes is, do I need layers in my hair? What will layers do on longer hair? And I always have my own approach on the client who wants some sort of shape, something very different when they have longer hair. So what is layering? If you're watching my videos, you're new here, welcome. I have over 4,000 videos here on my YouTube channel. So you have plenty of homework to do to check out my videos. What I like to do is analyze what is going on, what your current hair goals are, and let you know what will happen if you get layers. So layering is a technique that is designed to remove weight from the hair. Hair at its maximum weight means it's at its maximum length. The hair from when you pull from the scalp goes all the way down to the bottom, meaning it's all one length. All this hair travels, from here all the way down. It's very heavy. When you comb down, there's no real movement to it. It's just, this travels all the way down. If you have hair like that and you don't like having it so heavy, then you might need some sort of layering, okay? If you like having your hair all one length, you like having no movement, you don't want to see shorter pieces in through here, then don't get layers, all right? Like if you want to have your hair pulled back all the time in a ponytail, and then all of a sudden you go and get, shorter layered pieces because you think it's cool, then you're going to have pieces like this, constantly hanging down in your face the whole time, and it may drive you crazy. So if you don't want this and you need your hair to be pulled back all the time, layers may not be right. Or if they are, just make sure it's long enough to go back into the ponytail, because most guys that I know who have had ponytails or have them, they like having all that hair. They don't want to have hair like falling in their face, like they're, like this. So don't get layers. If you feel like your hair is too heavy, you feel like it's just laying flat, my opinion for men, the best option is to create just a slight face frame, which means that it's an angle going from shorter here to longer. Now, if you go to a criminal, a hair professional criminal, they will create a crime scene on your head, which I say all the time. What is a crime scene in this situation? Well, what happens is they will end up cutting a huge chunk from here. See all this hair down here? They will cut all this hair off and you'll be left with a huge hole and a huge gap. That is not what you want. The best option for this is to make sure that you are preserving as much of this length as possible, as you can see. What do you do, and what should the professional be doing? They should be starting the face framing and the angling as close as they possibly can to the front. You see how subtle and soft this is? All you're looking to do is just create a very soft shape. This can be done so easily just by, on an angle, just working your hands downwards, and all of a sudden you've got a shorter little flow into here. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll bring the hair up and cut it, just slightly to shape up the whole thing so it's not, yes, you want the heaviness, but I'll just create like a light shaping in through here so that it all connects together. That's the best way. Or you just, cut this here, cut this going downwards into here. You're creating an angle. You can bring all this hair forward and through here. Determine how long you want this to be, because the shorter it is, the chances of it going in your face and falling this way is going to happen a lot more. So if you're okay with just brushing it off the face, making sure that it's long enough, because the hair in the front here has to travel all the way back, then you can determine how long you actually want this. If a ponytail is not really a concern of yours, you rather have more shape, then this is kind of the way to go, is to create like a soft face framing in through here. Not super heavy layers in the back, nothing crazy, just something just to soften this area up. And I've done this so many times, hundreds and hundreds of times on clients. I know exactly why and how this works. Also, if you notice, I'm using this brush. This is a vent brush. This is my favorite brush of all time. It's not just any brush. This is an anti-static vent brush. If I were combing this hair like this, and if it wasn't this, I'd have hair static all over the place. The hair would be all sticking up and it would be attaching to the brush. Not with this. And it's got a rubber handle, so you get a really good solid grip. This is great for detangling. And speaking of detangling, you need to be using 25 spray right here. 25 spray is like a multivitamin for hair. It basically has 25 benefits in it. It's got keratin, biotin, collagen, and a bunch of other incredible extracts in here. Made in USA, custom-made formula, one of a kind. This is incredible for keeping your hair looking healthy while it's longer. You wash your hair, you towel dry it, you shake this up well because it's a thicker liquid, and then you press down firmly like this onto the hair, and then you comb it down with this brush, get the knots out, then you blow dry it. Your hair will be transformed if you have dry hair. This is a unisex product, so men and women can use this. It's my second best-selling product. It's really one of a kind, 25 spray. It smells fantastic, and I love this stuff so much. I couldn't live without this, to be honest with you. And I literally have people on the news who use this. Their hair has been transformed. Male or female, doesn't matter. If you have long, frizzy, dry, thin hair, whatever it is, this will transform how your hair looks and make it look healthier and thicker. Plus this brush. And that is it. This is basically my opinion on having layers on guys with longer hair. It really depends on you. Let me know which direction you're going in. Check out the View products right here to get these. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.